Hello everybody, I want to show you this video. You can take a screenshot with the LG V40 ThinQ. So for the first way, we will need the power button and the volume down button. I see the key in the middle. So press these both buttons and hold them for 1 second and you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button for the same time and you will have a screenshot. Okay, there's another way to take a screenshot if you're going to the shortcuts and if you're going now here on the first symbol, Capture Plus is the name of, and yeah, you are able now to do some stuff like drawing inside your pictures already here enabled with the red field here. Otherwise you can also erase it and so on and so on. And here with that symbol, with the last one, if you double tap it, you are able also to crop a part. Maybe this is now free. If I use my finger now, I can mark something what I want to crop and I have cropped it. So a very nice tool. If you are ready with, just go here to confirm and go on gallery and it's immediately part of our gallery. Then you can do more with this Capture Plus feature. If you're going here on the browser on the website of LG, then if we go down here on the Capture Plus again, so scroll down to the shortcuts, go on the Capture Plus feature, we are able also to scroll shot the website. So then it will scroll shot the whole website, so a screenshot of the whole website. If you're finished, just tap on the screen and now you have a long shot, a long screenshot. Okay, so you can paint also in that screenshot, and if you want to navigate, if you want to mark something down here, you will use 2 fingers to scroll down and then you can draw something again inside. So a very nice feature, and yeah, just confirm here, go to the gallery and it's part of our gallery. And by the way, gallery, we can check it now. Go on the gallery here to see our screenshots. So as you can see in the category albums have his own category named screenshot, and also Capture Plus has as well his own category. And by the way, you will see that of course also in the photos. And as you can see, I had already many tries. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs if you want. It would be very, very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.